Pull up, roll the window down and I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Arielrayvon. I'm here with my mom.
Hi.
And we are about to head to the airport because, like I said, we're going to Mexico. Try not to be too loud because people are upstairs asleep. But I will talk to y'all when we get to the airports. Until then, safe travels for us on the highway. All right, y'all, so we are at the airport. We've got through TSA. We're on our way to the terminal. And we're gonna have a good flight. We're gonna pray before we take off, per usual. And we have a layover in, where's our layover?
I don't know. North Carolina, South Carolina.
One of the Carolinas. And that's boring. So we gonna catch y'all in Mexico. You guys, so we are in Mexico. It's kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but me and mom are waiting for our bus because the bus that we just went to is full and it's 17 of us, so we have to wait for the next bus to come in like 20 minutes. But other than that, we are just out here by Margaritaville and we're waiting for our bus and the rest of our group. Y'all, it's so pretty in here and the humidity with the wind is so nice. It feels really good in here. They offered us some popsicles and now we're waiting to get our rooms. And yeah, so room tour coming soon. It's dark. So our room is not ready until 3. So we are downstairs at the, I don't even know what this is called, but it is a buffet style food, but you have to wait for your seats. So me and my mom are sitting here waiting for them to call us so we can go get some food because we're hungry. But it's pretty. It's dark in here. It's a little bit of a vibe. It's a little bit of a vibe in here. It's cute. We got piñatas hanging from the ceiling. So, yeah. I'll show you guys what I get to eat in a minute when they call our name. I don't know where the rest of our group is because we said we was coming to eat. We don't play. We ready to eat. We ready to eat. So. Look at how beautiful it is by our table. And I got the New York strip. I got some chicken, some snapper, some potatoes, and Cajun seasoning, a cupcake, some pizza, and I believe it's cheese. No, it's sour cream, so it can go on my taco that's over there. And we got some margaritas.
Oh, that's good.
It's good?
Oh, yeah.
It's good. It's really good. That food was so good. It was so good. I'm stuffed. So good. What'd you say?
Amazing.
Let's see our plates. It was so good. The only thing that did not get eaten was the pizza. And the pizza, I only got it because just in case I didn't like anything else, how can you not like pizza? But everything was so good. And I got the New York strip. And I usually hate New York strip because it always to me tastes like it takes a long time to eat. Devoured it. Juicy. The potatoes, Picasso. The tacos, Picasso, chef's kiss. Like, and this margarita
Is like seasoned
perfectly. It was like Cajun. We gotta come back here. We gotta come back here. This food was delicious. Like, I'm so stuffed. And we have a cocktail party to go to tonight at 6. I might be in a food coma. I might not make it. I don't know. This food was so good that I had said that these flies need to go on because they gonna get ate if they land on this food. But we're still waiting on our room. We're gonna go upstairs and get a map and see what's in the area. And then I'll come back to you guys when we get our room. Alright y'all, so we're in the room, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a room tour. Alright, so walking straight into the room, this is the door, and you will see that we have these light switches, and that just makes it so that it's like, there we go, that turns it off. This turns on nighttime mode, which lights the bed, lights the bathroom, and a little area over there, turn that off, and yeah. You also have this for housekeeping, which means no housekeeping, alerts them outside the room not to come in. So when you first come in, and you go to your right, it is the restroom area, and they give us these robes, super cute. My lighting in here is not all that. And then you also have the sink. It's a double sink with another little mirror. Down there you have drawers. I don't know what's in them. Toothbrush, okay. Wow. Vanity kit, sewing kit, shoe shine, okay. Shower cap, wow. You really don't have to bring anything. Blow dryer. I will say that when you come in here, here's the jacuzzi. They do tell you welcome home. So, sorry, that's my clothes. So maybe that's why they don't want you to bring anything. Okay, so this is the shower light. And then I guess this is the light for everything else. You can hang your stuff up here. The shower, massive. Super huge. There's 2 different nozzles here. Shower heads. Is there a bar right here? Oh, and that's where you turn it on. Okay. So like I said, they give you robes. They also give you a complimentary beach bag, and then there, you know, the safe. Oh, look, I think there's a mirror right here as well. Look at that. That's the door to close the bathroom. And it has a mirror here. And then look, sitting pretty. Period poop. I'm gonna take all types of pictures in here because, yeah. So yeah, jacuzzi, sink, mirror, another mirror. Coming back to the room. So we have the double beds because it's me and my mom. And you can see the bathroom. That right there is the toilet room. And there's a button in there where you can unfrost the window here so that you can see in or they can see out. Over here, you can control the lights. So you have daytime, evening, which I told you were those backlights. And then nighttime is literally just the bathroom. You can also control the room temperature from here. Seating area, drawers, my mom's stuff. Another mirror. We have the TV around here. This is also a light. I don't know how to turn this on. When we first came in here, it was on. I don't know what happened. Breakfast nook, sitting area, another mirror. So over here, there's a little trash can. There's some more, right here is where the bar is. So when you open it, you have chocolates, Mexican chocolates. You have your ice box and you have your glasses. And then over here is the fridge where you have the complimentary mini bar and it's filled every day. So it's just waters, fancy waters, Coronas, Coke products. I don't know what the hell Crystal is. I'm guessing it's maybe like a Sprite. I don't know. Orange juice. And then, you know, coffee. So out here is our little area. I don't even know, this is called a patio. We have the river view. So back there where you can see those people, it's a river. And then also down here, I think this connects to the river. They tell you that you cannot be without clothes because there's people out there. There's people with children, you know. Be respectful. You can see the little beach. There's birds everywhere. So yeah, so it's really humid out there, but it feels really great. There's also a little sitting area where you go out there, there's music playing, there's birds chirping, and this door here, whenever you open it, it turns off the air in the room. But yeah, that's it. It's gorgeous in here. It feels good. This is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a bird's nest. I keep looking at it. So yeah, that's our room. We're gonna chill for a little bit because we have a welcome cocktail party at 6, and I'm probably start getting ready about 5 because I want to do my makeup, look cute. I have like a little dress I'm gonna put on, some heels, be a real vibe. But we're just gonna enjoy the room. I'll probably pick back up when we get to getting dressed or after we're dressed. That sounds about right. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys. So we are on our way to the lobby. Sorry, I'm adjusting myself. We're on our way to the lobby because we are about to take some pictures as a group because me and my mom missed the earlier group picture with the matching shirts. We missed it. So I guess we're about to take a group picture now. Hopefully everyone's as dressed up as we are. But we didn't really talk about, in the email it said to dress nice, dress festive. So I feel like for cocktails, you have to dress festive. Yeah, for the girls.
So you're supposed to wear like coats and stuff?
Yeah, I think we're on the right way.
Are we on the right floor? Okay.
No, we were on level 4, weren't we? We were on 4. Down? What are you talking about? When we got up,
We're on 5.
Hold on. Hold, please. Okay, we found where we're supposed to be. So like I was saying, we're about to go do cocktails. I hope everyone's dressed festive. I hate this bridge. It terrifies me. But we look cute. We are going to take pictures. Oh, wow. So it takes a picture You look up to that. Oh, it took another one. How many patients is it? Y'all knew I was getting a drink. Don't play. You know I was getting a drink.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, busting up and no one trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water trying to slip across the border, got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out bag of money, knew I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get 5 base set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
Y'all, look at how pretty this place is. It's crazy. So pretty. All right, y'all, so we are back in the room, showered, face cleaned, and we're gonna wrap it up for the night. Tomorrow we will be doing XCARET most likely, and that'll be in another vlog. So until then, say adios. Mom.
Adios.